Hi friends, today I am going to explain you my iPhone has some color lines, color patches, how to eliminate it and how to get solution for this. First of all, remove main nails of your iPhone. It is very simple process. You can do it using smooth drive script drives and try to remove back cover and display just like this. It is very simple process. And first of all, you need to remove connecting plate. This is security plate. You can remove then secure plate just like this. After completion of this, you can remove connector ribbons just like this. After completion of that, you can remove another connector just like this. It is very simple process because we need to attach and test new one. You can attach new temporary one just like this. It is very simple process. You can switch on the iPhone. You can see Apple logo is loading. You have to wait several seconds because in first time it will take several times. Do not restart and force shut down your iPhone because let it to automatically load. You can see touch here. It is working very well. You can check each nook and corner. You can remove some gadgets from the previously removed old display. You can remove each nails and each gadgets. Here I hope to remove metal plate just like this. It is very essential process because it is need to fix to new one. You can remove each parts such as iPhone fingerprint button and earpieces. You can remove them securely. You can see ribbons are here. You can remove them carefully. And also it is compulsory to remove metallic plate. You can remove it using screwdrivers. You can remove some gadgets just like this. It is very helpful process. You can disconnect previously attached new one. You can remove stickers just like this. It is very simple process. You can attach previously removed metal plate just like this. It is very helpful process and compulsory process. You can fix it using some nails just like this. You can fix it using each nails. It is compulsory process because this is secure plate, metallic plate. You can see it here and you can attach fingerprint just like this, fingerprint ribbon just like this. It is very helpful process. And you can attach metal plate. It is very helpful to keep fingerprint working point. You can attach earpiece just like this. You can attach some ribbons and some gadgets just like this. You can fix them using previously removed nails. You can reuse them just like this. You can fix them very well. You can do it again and again. So now I hope to fix new device display just like this. It is very helpful. You can reattach some ribbons just like this and ribbon plate. You can fix next ribbon plate just like this. It is very helpful process, and you can refix your back cover and display just like this. And remember to refix previously removed nails. There are 2 nails. You can fix them using proper screwdriver just like this. It is very essential process. Now you can see display is working very well. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos, and we are cordially invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new updates.